Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to create TikTok account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up TikTok app. Make sure you have already downloaded TikTok app on your device. Here, in order to create TikTok app, tap on sign up button. Now here you can sign up with your phone number, with email, Facebook or Apple ID or Google. Let me tap on continue with email. Now enter your email address. I'm using my Yahoo ID. Once you are done typing Yahoo ID, tap on send code button. Here create your password and then tap on next button. Once you tap on next button, it will navigate you to this interface where you need to select your birth date and then click on next button. Now create your nickname. For now I create my nickname as Lisa Webb and then tap on confirm button. Now as you can see that you have successfully created account on TikTok. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.